Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new project to share with you. So let's take a look. Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel, and today I am super excited to be here with a new mini album class. This is another one of my class kits. This one is called Winter Valley. We're using this beautiful collection by Stamperia. I did a kit walkthrough not too long ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and link that below on the description box, and I'm gonna have a link to my website where you can find this kit, and the kit comes included with the class. But if you would like to purchase the class by itself, I'm also gonna have the video class available as always listed on the website. And I have some exciting news to share with you, because starting the month of February I'm going to start having my mini album kits and classes every month, and I'm going to be opening up a subscription. So we're thinking on having two classes. So again, of course, if you subscribe to both, you'll save more as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this book. So this book, it's a Lapbook style album. So it has two sections, and it measures 8 by 10 on the outside and 2 inches here on the spine. And so over here on the cover we have the beautiful elements from the collection. We have some ephemera, some beautiful flowers, and then we did some paper piecing to create this title here that says family. And I just really love how this turned out. And then the back over here is my favorite image from the collection. I just love the animals, friends here, or family, kind of like looking at and the horizon, the landscape. It just looks so magical and so pretty. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So when we open this up, we have two sections here, and we're gonna go ahead and start over here on this side. So again, I added a lot of the ephemera pieces to add more to the already beautiful design paper, but I just love how everything looks. Over here, this opens up to the side, and then we have a place for a picture on that side, and then this opens up here. And then over here I did a kind of like a three-dimensional I want to call this like a little tunnel page. So you can add a photo here on the inside, or you can add a couple photos. We went ahead and cut the inside of the frame, and this is like an accordion full page, so you can add pictures and kind of have them display on this window. But then on the background I put this image from the collection, because I just think it looks really pretty. Then this opens up like this. You can add pictures here, and then I have a pocket, and I used some of the tags from the collection, and I went ahead and created 4 little tags. This little twine ute also is part of this kit. And then here we have some photo mat areas, and so over here you will put your pictures, and then you can go ahead and display your picture here on this little window, and then you can interchange it with another picture, and you can fit quite a lot of pictures here, so you can also use this as a three-dimensional pocket as well. So I'm just gonna put those ones back in there. And then we move here to the center. So over here we have a gatefold page. Again, I love the collection. So this opens up like this, and then this collection had a lot of these little ornaments, and I just thought that was super cute. So on this side, this opens up like this, so we have a trifold, and then this opens down and it opens up again, so quite a lot of room for pictures here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places for pictures, and then 8 and 9 if you count on those two as well. And then over here this is the same, so I added some chipboard pieces on top of the images to add more dimension here. So pretty. Opens and opens, and then this is the same. It opens down and it opens up like that. And so that closes up like this. And then here at the center I have two ornaments. Just love how these two look here. And then these little ornaments are actually easel, so you can display them like this, and I think they just look so pretty like that. And then this opens up like that, and then I just put Noel over here, but this is an area for pictures there as well. And then on the back here, if we open this all the way up, we have another pocket, and I use all of the ornaments from the collection and the twine here to make little tags, so you can put a picture on the back, you can write a little message. I love how these are double-sided, so I didn't back these on anything, so we can see the design of the cardstock both ways. So pretty. But of course you can use this to add a picture, so we're just gonna put all of those in here, and then these two just magnetize back in place, and that is the center here. And then this closes up like that, and then this closes everything here. On the spine, I just went ahead and added some of the chipboard pieces to decorate a little bit more. And now let's take a look at this side. So when I was placing the paper here, I just wanted this whole section to be the daytime and this section to be the nighttime. I think it just looks so cute. I absolutely love this paper collection. So over here is the beautiful night sky. I added the moon, which are chipboard pieces, so I just complemented a little bit here with the design of the paper. This opens up like that, and then this section opens down. And then over here, we're gonna start at the center. We have a spinnable page, so this is spins up like that, and then these two open, so we have an accordion fold and a large area for pictures. And then here we can add more pictures, so you can fit 4 by 6 pictures on these layouts. And then you can do a 5 by 7 on the back as a big picture. You can even put an 8 by 7 picture there. And this opens up like that, another large area for a picture here. And I added some of the chipboard ephemera there. And then on this side we have this cute little fox. This opens up like that, place for a picture. And then over here I created this window pocket, so I'm using some acetate from some recycled packaging. And then I added one of these 6 by 6 cards from the collection to create this kind of like a large photo area. You can add a picture here or do some journaling, and you can create multiple of these to put in your window pocket here. So that just goes back in there, and then it displays on the window. It's so pretty. And then I added this chipboard piece there as well. And then this opens up again here, more of the ephemera chipboard to complement. I did put craft color cardstock. I was gonna put blue, but I thought it was too much blue, so I think this gives it a nice contrast. And then you can journal in here if you wanted to, or just put a picture there. And then over here at the center we have the fox again here with some, this is a chipboard piece. I added the moon, and then I added some flowers. This opens down and it opens up like that, so a lot of places for pictures. And then this slides to the side and it opens up here, so you can put pictures on this side. And then it also slides to the left side and it opens up like this. And then same thing over here, this slides and opens like that. And then this slides to the other side. We're gonna have to move this one here too. And then these opens there. And then these two are belly bands, so you can add photo mats on the back there. And then these just kind of go right back to the center like that. And then we're gonna close these, and then this goes here on top. And I'm just gonna move this up so I can show you this section over here. So we have the little chipboard pieces with the cute little animals sleeping here. This opens and opens, and then we have another one of the 6x6 cut aparts, and then this opens down, and then down here we have a pop-up platform page, and then this opens up, so we have a trifold place for pictures there as well. And then you can use these sides here to do a little journaling or put smaller pictures. And then back here, I don't know if you can see this section back here, but another place for a picture. And then I added more of the little ephemera. So some of the ephemera that is flats, like the paper ephemera, I just cut apart from the collection. There's a couple sheets of ephemera, and so I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough of this book. And again, I'm gonna have my website link down below in case you're interested on the class kit or on the video class only. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.